Hey YouTube, welcome to another Music Theory Thursday. Today we're going to talk about lines and space names. Let's go back a little bit. A couple weeks ago, we were talking about the staff, 5 lines, 4 spaces. Last week we talked about the clefs, treble clef, bass clef. The treble clef was also called the G clef, and the bass clef was also called the F clef. Now, let's talk about lines and spaces. Keep in mind that we only use 7 letters of the alphabet, A through G. And then when we get to G, we have to start back over at A. Again and again and again. So A through G. Let's talk spaces of the treble clef first. Like I mentioned before, everything we do is from the bottom up in music. So this is line 1 to line 5, space 1 to space 4. So the alphabet is also the same way, from the bottom up. Now the very first space we have here is F. You can remember the spaces of the treble clef easily. It just spells something we all have. We all have a face. So that's F, followed by A, followed by C, followed by E. Now if we go down to the bass clef, all we have to do is take off the bottom space up here, and we start with A. So we're going to have A, C, E, A, C, E, and the top space is G. A way to remember this is a cute little sentence we probably all learned in elementary school. All cows eat grass. How many of you remember that? Put it down in the comments if you guys remember that. All cows eat grass. Now let's talk about lines. The lines of the treble clef, there's a sentence for that too, but I'm going to put the lines up first. The bottom line, what comes before F in the alphabet? E. After F in the alphabet, we got G. Then we go to A, remember? And then up to B. Then the next line after that, after B we have C, so after C in the alphabet, you got it, D. D, the space is E, and then we move up to F. The sentence you may remember from elementary school is, every good boy does fine. Every good boy does fine. Down in the bass clef, what comes before A in the music alphabet? That's right, G does. G, then we go to A. What comes after A? B. B goes up to the C space, so the line after C would be D. D goes up to E. Line after E would be F. F goes up to G, that's the space, and the line above G, like we said before, the alphabet starts over at A. We have another cute elementary school sentence here. Good boys do fine always. However, I live in the Southwest and I just learned this when I moved here. Humor me. Great burritos don't fall apart. So yeah, I know, really goofy, but whatever. But I think it's true. Anyway, so there's our lines and spaces for our clefs and our staff. Down in the comments below. Wait a second. I don't want you cheating. In the treble clef, what word do the spaces make? What word is for the spaces. Down here, what goofy Southwestern sentence are the lines? All right? All right, folks, so if you're enjoying what I'm doing, hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that like button today. That'd be awesome. And until the next time, we will talk to you later. Take care, everybody.